Lake Dow North, a meticously maintained four-sided brick ranch home located on the first green of the GA National Golf Course in the sought-after Ola School District. This quality home has an open floor plan west/A two-story foyer, 9-foot ceilings throughout and separate dining room west/tray ceiling. The split bedroom plan has 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. Master has a separate tiled shower and walk-in closet. The full daylight basement is a homeowner's dream with a complete workshop that is framed and plumbed for a 3rd bath and also has a boat/golf cart door. Fully landscaped with a backyard deck and covered porch. Backyard is enclosed with new wrought iron fencing and gates and views of the golfers and walkers on the course and walking paths. HOA members are able to join the Lake Dow Club for swim and fitness at an additional fee.